Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to create application without writing a single line of code. That is using Buildfy, which is a free tool that lets you create application using a drag and drop interface. Today we will be learning about nodes that can be used to create application without writing a code. It seems paradoxical, but let me make it palatable for you. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so here we are inside the Buildfy. You can watch the getting started video before starting with the nodes. I will give the link of the video in the description as well as in the info section. So in this video we are getting started with the nodes. It should be a very basic and easy tutorial to get started with. I will be telling you how can you create simple application without writing a code. So node basically works over here. So this is the nodes tab over here, you can see. And you get different kind of events, action, logic and data. We are adding more of the things in the next update. You can simply zoom in and zoom out using your scroll wheel or simply use these buttons over here. Let's create a simple application that will basically guide you through the nodes. Let's add a simple button over here and let's change the color. Looks great. Let's change the name to hello. Alright. Now let's add a label over here. And we have two things over here, a hello button and a label. So all we want is simply when we click this hello button, it will just show like hello world, something like this, okay? So let's change the label to like hello world and this looks great. Now, when you click on this preview button and click on this button, nothing is happening. Let me change the hover color also. Alright, now when you click on this button, nothing is happening. So what we want is when we click this button, it will show this simple text. So what you can do is head over to nodes. We will start applying our logic by starting the app. So on app start. So on starting the app, what will happen? It will hide the widget. So I want to hide the widget, which is label in this case. And on clicking the button, so I will get the on click over here, the button which is selected over here, it will show the widget, which in this case is the label again. Let's add it to over here and click on done. Now click on this preview button. As you can see, the label is hidden over here, and let's click on hello and you can see the hello world is being shown below it. That's great. This was the very simple starting point of the nodes. So similarly, what I have done is created another button over here. I have duplicated this button using Ctrl or Command C on your keyboard. Then I have changed the variable name over here to disable, so that in order to disable this text over here. So let's go to nodes again. You can delete this node or disconnect the link by using the right click. So what I can do is now go to on click, the disable button. What it should do is hide the widget over here. In this case is the label. Okay. Again, we can do a preview like hello and then hide. Okay, it is working. This is the very simple thing that we can achieve over here. Now, there are advanced feature also in nodes. Let me show you one by one. The first thing is on value change. Let's say I have an entry box over here. So what I want to do is simply that whenever I change the value of this entry box, this label shows that value changed. So what we can do is go over to nodes again. On value change of the entry box, we can simply show the widget, which in this case is this label. Also in the beginning, we have to hide this label, by the way. So you can hide this label also. And also you can see when I changed the value, it says value changed. These are the nodes. So basically you haven't written any kind of code and you got this very simple application. Now there are many, like you can enable or disable the application. So let's say I have to disable this entry box. What I can do is simply remove this link over here. and also remove this link and simply bring that to this widget over here. I'll have a preview over here. Let's say I have written here, and let's disable it. So as you can see, the widget has been disabled. So this is the very basic use of the disable widget. And also we have print, we have set color and print value, and also you can apply logic if you want, like if and else statement. And also you can get the widget value, basically you can get the value of the label and everything straight away using this. This was a very basic tutorial where we started learning about the nodes, and this was easy even though. If you have any doubts, then you can comment down below. We will be making advanced tutorial on nodes, creating full-fledged application. For this tutorial, I have kept it very easy for you to get started with the nodes. You can get the entire code over here and you can export it as a Python file. So in the future tutorial, we will be learning more about nodes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then consider subscribing, hit that like button below. I will meet you in the video. Until then, keep learning. Goodbye.